Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off keyboard sound on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off keyboard sounds on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Now on the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on Sounds and Haptics. Under Sounds and Haptics, scroll down and then locate keyboard feedback and click on it. Once you click on keyboard feedback, to turn off your keyboard sound, just turn off sound. And then if you go back and type on your iPhone keyboard, you discover that the keyboard sound is now disabled. Now, if you want to disable the haptics that makes your iPhone keyboard vibrate each time you click on it, go ahead and turn off haptic. And then your iPhone keyboard will neither vibrate or give a sound. And that is it. So that's exactly how to turn off iPhone keyboard. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.